My name is Chris, and welcome to the Camper Dan Files. Yeah, these are absolutely delicious. Watching some Wrong Turn. Oh, fatality. So I just decided to go ahead and cut off the excess egg there. So it's like having a piece of scrambled egg on the side. Now that's an omelet. Let me try a piece of this pancake. So I have some good news, guys. So I just went and seen my doctor recently. After getting a bunch of testing done, I was just recently downgraded from having type 1 diabetes to now being pre-diabetic. So I was able to turn things around. Again, I'm not out of the woods yet. I'm doing a lot better, and I'm a lot healthier than I was a few short weeks ago. Check out this fly. Got the solar panels out, recharging our battery for the cargo trailer. Here she is. Here's Daisy, our 6x10 cargo trailer camper conversion. We've made videos on this unit already. Just check out my camping playlist. So here we have Camper Dan. Here's our seating area. Getting some use out of the ARB awning here. Absolutely love this thing. It's like bringing your own personal patio wherever you go. Whether you're camping, doing a cross-country road trip, hanging out in the driveway. I mean, you could pretty much use it however you want. Yeah. There goes Super Bowl 6. Hey guys, just going on a little bit of a walk here. I guess you could say I'm scouting for new potential places to camp with our 6x10 cargo trailer. Yeah, this is all BLM land, guys. I'm about 40 minutes to the northwest of Las Vegas. This particular campground, it's not too far from a dump station where you're allowed to dump your trash. But man, there's trash everywhere in here. Since COVID, it's just been getting worse and worse and worse. For my locals from Las Vegas, there's no excuse for you to be leaving your trash in the forest. Look at what sanitation has done for us. There's places to dispose of your trash. Let's do better, guys. Yeah, there's plenty of potential places to camp here. I believe we spent the night once in this site right here, although it was a lot different at the time. When we stayed in it. This campsite is cool if you want to be out of the direct path of people and you just want to be enclosed and enveloped in some trees, kind of the one way in, one way out type of deal. And then you have an extension here. So if you have a group, your other party can sleep up here. You know, feel like they have their own. I mean, there's endless possibilities here. But enough of this. We got to get back to camp because it's time for us to go home. If you've stuck around this long and you're not currently subscribed, go ahead and slap that subscribe button. That way you can be a part of all the future adventures. You won't miss a thing. You'll be up to date on everything that's going on. It's a free way to support the channel. Doesn't cost you anything. Thanks again for stopping by the Camp and Ann Files. My name is Chris, and until next time, put God first, family second, and camp third.